Hi, my name is Zubair Naik, and I've recently purchased Maruti Dzire ZXi 2022, and I wanted to get my seat works done from outside, and somebody referred me to Orchis, which is known for its quality and it's for its reputation. So here I am today to get my seat works and all the works done for my car. The works that I'm going to be doing is seat covers, of course, the door pads and the lamination. Now for this thing, for my seat covers, I'll be going in for the pattern called as Dzire. I like the pattern which is over here, ready, like in the ready model sort of a thing. So this is the pattern for it. It is having marigold as a material, and it will be having mildew as one of the shade, and deep blue as the second one. So this one is having a foam of 13 mm density, 13 mm, sorry, and 28 density. Okay, and together with this I'll be doing the lamination work for my car. And for lamination, I'm going to be using this material. This is a sort of the lamination which I'm going to be doing. This is heat resistant and this is also odor proof. Okay, one more thing that I wanted to mention about Orchis is this is the only Indian company having patent office certified by Government of India. Okay, so this goes very well with the company brand. So I'm very excited, and I look forward for the work done over here, and thumbs up to Orchis. Thank you.